Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to verify your YouTube account in a very simple way. You just simply go to your Google Chrome and then go for YouTube. Then after opening the YouTube, you just need to come over into your profile icon, click on that. And then here you just need to go for YouTube Studio, so click on that. And now you are in YouTube Studio. So now you just need to come over into settings option, and then you just need to go for the channel option, and then go for feature eligibility, click on that. And you can see there are three types of features eligibility. You just need to you can see use standard feature is enabled, and now you just need to go for intermediate features. So if you click on that, there will be an option called verify your phone number, so click on that. How should we deliver the verification code to you? If you want to get it from your text message or call, you can select the call, or you just want to get this from the text message, then you will get a text message. After that, you just need to select which country you from. Then after selecting it, you just need to check your phone number, and then you just need to click on next, and there will be a verification code, and you just need to put the verification code, and then this step will be done. And now what you need to do, you just need to go for the advanced features, and from here you just need to first of all you just need to complete the intermediate features, and then you just need to come over at the access feature. And that features, you just need to verification by a video verifications or a valid ID or channel history. You can do any of these three, but I would like to prefer you to do for video verifications. You just need to make a video, and then you just need to make them sure that it's your channel, and that's called verification. So this is how you can verify your YouTube. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another videos. Till then, goodbye.